How to get $300 Temu promo code. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To get yourself Temu promo code, open up a browser that you prefer. In the search bar, search for Temu promo code. You will find various of websites dealing with Temu promo code and offers. You can select to any of the website that you prefer. In here, you will see different kind of coupons, offers, and deals. In some, you can even enter email address and subscribe to it so that you never miss out any of the coupons. To get a coupon, just tap on View Coupon option given to you. Now make sure that the coupon is valid and not expired. To copy the code, just tap on the Copy option. To redeem in instant, tap on Visit Temu. It will redirect you to Temu official website. To redeem the promo code, the first step is to purchase an item. Select the cart option next to an item. View your cart, then select the item that you want to purchase. Tap on Checkout. Now all you have to do is enter your personal detail. That includes your full name and your address. Then tap on Save. Select your payment method. At the bottom in your left hand side, you will see your total and how much you actually saved. Now all you have to do is simply tap on Submit Order. And that is how you can redeem your promo code in Temu. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.